it's Thursday afternoon, time for the shop update here at Woodsmith. And last week we saw Dillon in the prototype of the Croquet mallets. And today we're gonna check in with Steve here on the progress on the whole set.
Hey everyone. Well, we're doing 4 Croquet mallets. We'll have 4 balls and we'll also have a roll around storage unit. But I've got the heads done here. These are made out of ash. We put epoxied phenolic on the end to actually hit the croquet balls. These are some 1-inch diameter, 1-inch deep little weights that we got from McMaster. Kind of look like this. They've been epoxied in. And then the handles are a 2-piece, 4-sided, and you run it over the router table with a little core box to get a 1/2-inch hole all the way down. So this rod goes all the way through, as you can see, to the end. And then when I'm done cleaning this up with burn marks and stuff, I'll push this down in and epoxy it in place. And then, like I said, well, I don't have plans yet. Dillon's still working on them for a little roll-around cart with wheels to store these and the croquet balls.
All right. Thanks, Steve. Mark, what do you got going on?
What have I got going on? That's a very good question. This week, still working on the CNC machine, part 3. There's what the finished product is going to look like. So I've pretty much got the base wrapped up from over here. It's all made of Baltic birch plywood with some aluminium on the sides for the rails. So what these angle pieces are for is for, so let me get the plan again. So I've got the base done, now I'm working on the gantry, which is this part. So this is the part that will move backwards and forwards, side to side, and this is where the router will attach to. This is the gantry part, which Chris has cut on the CNC machine. On one of the other 2 CNC machines. So I'm in the process of fitting these guys onto this. So these are the guys that will go in here, and this bearing will ride top and bottom on this channel like so. So those side pieces for the gantry will be attached to these, and this will ride up and down on this. So in the process of fitting these, lots of little parts to make. Get the gantry done. Chris is still working on making some parts for me. Once that's all done, so I'll have this gantry part probably put together by tomorrow, and then I can start painting it. This is going to be just lacquered on the top for this. This part is for the T-track. Actually, I want to mention something which this is what differs as opposed to the previous 2 CNC machines that we've made in the past. This gives you the option to clamp stuff on the end, so you can do dovetails with the pieces standing up. So this T-track will clamp those pieces in place. So we've got T-track there for the flat pieces and then vertical pieces there. So we've got a little bit of variety with what we want to achieve on this one compared to the other ones. Baltic birch is going to stay lacquered, and then the rest of it's going to be painted a nice blue, which I think is close to what I'm wearing. So it's going to look pretty cool looking.
Hopkins blue.
Hopkins blue, exactly. All right, I'm not sure if there's anything else I need to point out on this. So lots of parts, so just working my way through it all. Thanks.
All right, there you have it for today's shop update. Next Thursday is a seminar with our very own Eric Loggy on stains and dyes. You want to be sure to check that out. And if you have any questions or comments, let us know and we can address them in upcoming updates. We'll see you. Bye.